If you've ever wondered how celebrities seem to defy aging, the secret might be hiding in a molecule that's becoming the latest buzzword in skincare. The quest for longevity and youthful vitality has taken over not just wellness circles, but also the beauty industry. And at the heart of this trend is NAD+. But what exactly does this molecule do for your skin? And why are so many people suddenly talking about it? Let's dive into the science and explore how NAD+ could revolutionize your skincare routine. First, a quick disclaimer. While Vogue's editors independently select products, we may earn commissions from purchases made through affiliate links featured in this article. Now, let's get into the details. NAD+, short for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, isn't a new discovery. It's been around in scientific research for decades. However, its recent rise to fame stems from its role in promoting overall health and longevity. From Gwyneth Paltrow to Hailey Bieber, celebrities swear by NAD+ infusion therapies as part of their self-care rituals. And now this powerhouse molecule is making waves in the skincare world, first appearing in supplements and later finding its way into topical formulations. So what makes NAD+ so special? According to Dr. Annetta Resco, a board-certified dermatologist based in New York, NAD+ is a critical molecule found in every single cell of our body. It plays a key role in converting nutrients into energy and supports essential functions like repairing DNA, signaling between cells, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. Unfortunately, as we age, our natural levels of NAD+ decline significantly. By the time we reach our 40s, nearly half of our NAD+ reserves are depleted. This sharp drop can lead to increased oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced cellular energy production, which ultimately affects the health and appearance of our skin. What does this mean for your complexion? When NAD+ levels dip, your skin bears the brunt of it. Without sufficient cellular energy, ATP, skin cells begin to deteriorate faster, leading to visible signs of aging, such as sagging, fine lines, and dullness. Dr. Amanda Can, a longevity expert and board-certified internist, explains, research indicates that NAD+ helps preserve skin elasticity by boosting collagen and elastin synthesis, enhancing hydration, and ensuring proper nutrient delivery through the skin's microcirculation system. Beyond these benefits, NAD+ also combats inflammation, protects against UV-induced DNA damage, and may even reverse some aspects of aging, a claim that sounds almost too good to be true. But here's where things get tricky. Does NAD+ skincare actually live up to the hype? On paper, the ingredient seems promising. It boosts collagen production, optimizes skin function, and improves overall radiance. Yet, incorporating NAD+ effectively into topical products poses challenges. As Dr. Resco points out, topical NAD+ has limited effectiveness because the molecule is both large and unstable, making it difficult to penetrate the skin barrier. To address this limitation, many skincare brands have turned to NAD+ precursors, ingredients that the body can convert into NAD+ once absorbed. One standout precursor is niacinamide, a beloved skincare staple known for its brightening and hydrating properties. Other effective precursors include nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, and sunflower sprout extract, which has shown promise in studies. For instance, a 2022 study highlighted that sunflower sprout extract increases ATP production and shields DNA from UV damage, likely by activating enzymes that recycle NAD+ within cells. While lifestyle changes like prioritizing sleep, eating nutrient-rich foods, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive sun exposure remain the gold standard for boosting NAD+ levels naturally, topical products offer an accessible way to complement these efforts. If you're curious about trying NAD+ infused skincare, here are some of the best options currently available. Best overall, number 9, NAD+ Bio-Lifting Sil Essence. This Korean essence caught our attention over a year ago and continues to impress. What sets it apart is its unique texture. It's stretchy, similar to snail mucin, yet lightweight and non-sticky. packed with 50 peptides, hyaluronic acid, and tremella mushroom extract alongside NAD+. This formula firms, plumps, and smooths the skin with consistent use. Plus, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin types. Best hydrating, Aramore NAD+ Cell Energizing Lotion. Perfect for dry or damaged skin, this lotion combines beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide, a precursor to NAD+, with nourishing emollients like shea butter and ceramides. Its creamy yet lightweight texture layers beautifully under other products and provides long-lasting hydration. Best for hyperpigmentation, Filorga NCEF Shot Ultra Concentrated 10-Day Face Treatment. Ideal for targeting uneven tone and texture. This concentrated serum mimics the effects of mesotherapy without needles. Loaded with amino acids, sodium hyaluronate, and NAD+, it leaves skin luminous and refined after just 10 days of use. Best with vitamin C, Dr. Sam's Flawless Vitamin C NAD+ Serum. This innovative serum pairs stabilized vitamin C with NAD+ and additional antioxidants like ferulic acid and ectoin. Together, they brighten, firm, and protect the skin while remaining gentle and non-irritating. Best refillable, Cottage Maison Rouge NAD+ Face Serum. Eco-conscious consumers will appreciate this silky serum housed in refillable packaging. Alongside NAD+ and niacinamide, it features seaweed extract, which boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, as well as UV protection and dark spot reduction. Best splurge, Biologique Recherche Cocktail d'Actif Régénérant. For those willing to invest in luxury skincare, this set of concentrated vials delivers dramatic results. Each vial contains a potent blend of amino acids, peptides, vitamins, retinol, and NAD+ to revitalize tired, lackluster skin. Use them before a big event for a radiant glow that turns heads. In conclusion, NAD+ holds immense potential for skincare enthusiasts looking to combat the visible signs of aging. But, and this is the part most people miss, not all NAD+ products are created equal. Some rely on precursors rather than direct application, while others prioritize sustainability or multitasking ingredients. So, which approach works best for you? Is it worth experimenting with NAD+ topicals, or should you focus solely on lifestyle adjustments? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think.